Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Property Management 101, and today we'll be discussing best practices to keep in mind for anyone that is an assistant manager for the first time. If you've not already done so, please watch my disclosure video as well as my why I do this video. And if you found this video helpful and learned something new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. First of all, thank you so much for allowing me to kind of help you in your new journey, and congratulations on your promotion and job. This is a fantastic role as you'll be still heavily active in leasing and some of the other administrative things while also filling in for the property manager when they're not there. Two videos I'd also recommend watching in this new role is my video titled Delinquency and Collections as well as Evictions. And I will post those video links in the video description to this one. First best practice to keep in mind as a new assistant manager, coverage for the property manager. There will be times your property manager is out of the office or unavailable. What duties are you expected to cover for them while they're out? What duties are you not? What has been relayed to the staff? What happens if there's unexpected times they are out? What constitutes an emergency that you need to handle compared to things you don't? So these are some of the things you want to iron out with your new role, because most likely you're the number two in charge if the property manager's out. Knowing what duties are within the expectations of your role to perform when the property manager is out is really important for you to be aware of. Number two thing to keep in mind is the new assistant manager, delinquency. A big part of your job will be managing the rent collections. This may be the most important part of your role. If you have any experience with performing rent collections prior, I would strongly recommend doing more due diligence to learn about the process within your property management system, evictions, also your lease, also when payments are due and how your online payment system works. This will be very important as you work with residents to ensure that all of their accounts are in good standing at all times. And the last thing to keep in mind as a new assistant manager is reports. This job most likely will be more heavily leaned on for reports than maybe your previous role in the property management industry. There's a lot of reports that you may be fully responsible for, like a collections report, a delinquency report, a move-ins report, a move-outs report, or even part of month-end reports, or if not all of month-end reports. So it'll be really important for you to have a good grip of what reports you're responsible for, as well as what type of frequency will these reports be required to be sent in or uploaded to, and what kind of things are looked for as far as hot topics and things you really want to make sure you're crossing your T's and dotting your I's for. I wish you the best of luck in your new role, and if you have any questions about this video or any of my videos, feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to help you out with getting those addressed for you. And I hope you found this video helpful and learned something new. If so, please feel free to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Happy leasing!